So in this tutorial, we are going to make these pillows in Blender. So this is a beginner level tutorial and we are going to use the cloth features in Blender 2.83. So I'll be taking a slightly different approach. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in a new Blender scene and I'm not going to delete this cube. We are going to make the pillow using this cube. So I'm just going to select my scale tool and I'm just going to scale this. Now you might change this shape later, but for now I'll just leave it like that. Okay, now I'll just press my tab key and go in the edit mode. So press your tab key. Okay, and I'll add some loop cuts. So I'll just subdivide this. So I'll just hit Ctrl R to add loop cuts and I'll move my scroll wheel. So something like this looks good. You can see the number of cuts down here. So 22 cuts is good. I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, and one more loop cut. So Ctrl R and I'm just going to add one loop cut right here. Okay, so now we have our basic setup done. So I'll just go into the physics tab. So you can just click right here and make sure that your object is selected and hit the cloth button. So now essentially this object has become a cloth. So now you can change these settings. I'm just going to turn on pressure. This is quite important. So just tick pressure. And in the pressure value, I'm just going to change it to 1. Now in the field weights, I'm just going to turn off the gravity influence. Okay, so now if we have done this correctly, everything should work. And as you can see, we get a cool pillow. Now this pillow is a bit flat, so I'll just quickly smooth it. So I'll just go under object and shade smooth. And as you can see, this pillow is a bit low poly. So you can use this pillow in game engines such as Unity and Unreal. So this is fine for games. Okay, now I'm just going to duplicate this. So Shift D to duplicate on the y-axis and I'm just going to bring this here. And this will be the high poly version. So I'm just going to add a basic subdivision surface modifier. And make sure that the subdivision surface modifier is applied after the cloth modifier. Okay, now how do we make this a mesh? So at the moment, this is a simulation. So I want to convert this to a mesh. So I'll just select a frame. So select any frame that you like. Then you can go under the modifiers tab and you can apply these modifiers and make sure that the first modifier is applied first. So that's it. This is our basic pillow. So this is how easy it is to make a pillow in Blender. And you can do all kinds of cool things with this, but this was the basics. So if you like this tutorial, leave a like down below. It helps a lot. And also subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.